Hey besties, for today's video we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. As I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, look at me doing two videos in 1 week. I know. We're definitely going to try to post a little bit more, but I'm super excited. I actually had a video that I wanted to do before this video, kind of just a video about my Amazon favorites. We'll do that a little bit down the line this month, but I just really wanted to get into this August Boxycharm box because I felt like that's more time sensitive in case you guys watch this video and you want this box, you know what I mean? So let's jump right into it. So if you guys are watching this video and you guys don't already know what Boxycharm is, basically Boxycharm is a beauty box, a monthly beauty box, and it's like $20. I think they upped the price a little bit, but that's fine. Like, the quality of the products is amazing. You get up to like 4 to 5 products per month, and it's all like, it all ends up being like over $100, so you do get a bang for your buck. So we're just gonna open the box. I haven't even opened it yet, so I have no idea what's gonna be in here. So it comes with a card that tells you like the names of the products and prices. You see how there's bubble wrap in there. Okay, so this month is Go All Out. That is the card's theme this month. All right, so basically, yeah, so this is the page with all of the prices and names of everything. So we're gonna go ahead, and at the end of this video I'll let you guys know like what the total is of everything as well. Automatically, I'm already super happy and impressed with the first product. This is the Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. Girl, this is like $49, okay? So it says basically that it's a treatment with oil and hibiscus flower and licorice root that minimizes the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. So I know a lot of people on my TikTok are always asking me about good products for discoloration, so I'm really impressed with this. And guys, this is like $50, and that's just the first product. So okay, so this would not be one of my videos if my phone did not run out of storage at least one time in this video, which is just what happened. So we're gonna get back into it. You guys wouldn't have even known if I didn't bring it up, but you know how I am. So this is the iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This I'm excited for. I think I've seen it low-key on Trend Mood, which is like this Instagram page. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is probably my favorite like makeup product I've ever got. Oh my gosh. Wait, how much is this? Let me tell you guys how much it is first of all. This is $35, and do you guys see how big this is? First of all, this thing looks bougie as heck, okay? Let me see, is there a name for this one? No, it just says Ultimate Bronzing Powder, sweep across cheekbones and bridge up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty, dude. Look how big it is, like, compared to my head. Like, I have a pretty big head for comparison, and like, look at this. This is huge. This thing, you will not go through this. I wish I had my Marc Jacobs bronzer around me. I'd show you guys what it looks like in comparison, but just know this is almost there. Okay, this is big. So I've never heard of this brand before, so this is a cool thing about Boxycharm, is that you discover new brands that you never heard about. This is the Ditto Cosmetics limited edition Venus 12 shade palette. So it looks like this. That's super cute. It reminds me of like those BH Cosmetics ones, to be honest. There's like a seal on it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it is not that hard, Lindsay. What the heck? Okay. I'm gonna build a sweat with that. Okay, so, oh, okay. This is pretty cool looking. Not even gonna lie to you. That is so cool. Wow. Obviously, inspired by the planets. This is nice. Ooh, got some textures going there. These are really, really cute. Look how reflective and glittery those are. I think these are actually really pretty. Let me see the swatch. Whoa, look at that one. That one right there on the bottom. Are you kidding me? Think about that one like on my lid right now. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. I cannot wait. Like honestly, the other shades are cute too, but the bottom shade, this one, oh, I cannot wait to use the ultimate mess out of this one. That one is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. Okay, so I'm a little excited because usually when Boxycharm sends like palettes, no shade, like no tea, no shade, but when they send palettes, I'm not always like 100% into the palettes as much as everything else, but this palette is actually really nice. Honestly, I'm just really excited for this particular shade. Let me tell you guys how much it is if I didn't already. It's $30. So yeah, throw that over there. It's fine, guys. Next product is the Clara's New York Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid. Yes, 100 facial serum. Okay, so we got more skincare. Yes. Okay, so let me tell you guys the price on that because I be forgetting to like say what the prices are. This is $24.99. Okay, it says 90% blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E nourishes and moisturize quench skin. So that's super cool. Okay, looks like this. Oh, I didn't even take the other serum out of the box. So let me show you guys what this one looks like. I don't know why this looks so like professional to me, but it gives me like really, really professional. Like I went to the dermatologist and they picked this out for me personally vibes, if you know what I mean. But that's what that one looks like. And then I'm going to show you guys. I'm so happy. I got 2 serums today. Oh. Okay, so... or I don't know what you call this one. This one is an oil. So that is what, and it has like matte packaging. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so yeah, this is really, really cool. I'm actually really happy. If you guys can't tell with this month's box, sometimes like, you know, I get boxes. I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, I feel like last month was good, but I wasn't like, oh my gosh. Like this month, I'm like, okay, keep it coming, keep it coming. What's the last item? Manna Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. I'm so sorry for how bad I just butchered that. But this face mist looks like this. I am always into getting new face mist. It says Sea Minerals Hydrating Face Mist. Contains minerals known for improving circulation and hydration. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we got all these amazing products this month. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it up. I'm gonna come back, let you know how much money this was and my overall thoughts. I feel like saying that I'm gonna tell you guys my overall thoughts is kind of like pointless because I feel like you guys already like I can't even talk right. Like I mean, it was really this for me. This right here for me, oh my goodness, because I paid like $26 for this box. And this right here, I think is exactly that price. Like, right? Like, it was like $30. Let me see. Yeah, so this is like literally freaking like $35. And it's the one thing I'm most excited about. And I got skincare. And I got a skin mist. And I got a really freaking beautiful eyeshadow. Like, what is this? Okay, you guys, so the overall cost of everything, well, the overall total of everything, the grand total was $158. So you spend like $26 and you get like $158 worth of product. Guys, I can't even help it. I'm gonna like look at what this looks like, this bronzer right here. It looks like it might be a little dark, but ooh. Oh yeah, that's good. Obviously, I already have product on, but guys, I'm so excited to just like test this out, test this Balm Behind eyeshadow out, test that skincare out, that mist. I'm super impressed with all of the items. This is what I don't even care. This is my favorite Boxycharm I've ever received this month. of August. So yeah, you guys, I am super excited to be sharing this with you because honestly, up to this point, I would tell you like it's like a so-so with Boxycharm if you should or should not subscribe. But this month has just did it for me. And if they keep going in this direction, I will gladly give them my coins every single month. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. If you did watch it to here, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you guys have any ideas for what I should post in the future. So thank you guys so much for coming. I am so happy that I got to talk to you guys about this. I'm excited to play with my goodies, and yeah, bye you guys.